Dear students, in this session we'll discuss some examples on ellipse. So last class we have discussed all important formulae which are related with the ellipse. Today let us begin with a simple example which are appeared in previous year various different exams. So let us begin with this. So let us begin with the first example. The question is, if distance between the directrix B thrice the distance between the foci, then eccentricity of ellipse is. So it is given that directrix, distance between a directrix. So distance between a directrix is equal to 3 times a foci. So distance between a directrix is given by the formula 2a divided by e is equal to thrice. So 3 into distance between a foci is 2a and e. So further 2a it is in a numerator, both will get cancels. Then I can write 1 by e equal to 3 times e, or else 1 divided by 3 equal to, we can write this as a e square. So e square equal to, it is a 1 by 3, and the value of e is, it is square root of 1 is 1, square root of 3 is root of a 3 itself. So 1 by root 3. Therefore clearly option C is a right answer. C is a right answer. Next, the equation of the ellipse whose center is at origin and which passes through the points -3, 1 and 2, -2. Here the given geometry is the ellipse. Here they are given, the given geometry is ellipse. Ellipse formula we have to write it, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Further the first point will take it. So at -3, 1 it is. So further x we will take it as a -3, y we take it as a 1. So minus x square, it is -3 square is a 9. 9 by a square we are going to get it. So y square, y is 1, so 1 square is 1. 1 by b square equal to RHS 1, as it is I am going to write it. This is a one equation we are going to get it. So further, and one more point they have given it. So that point is, it is at 2, -2. 2, -2. So we have to substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to -2 in this first step equation. So 2 square is 4. 4 divided by a square we get it. Next, -2 square is 4 divided by, we are going to get it as a b square. So equal to 1. So now we will divide throughout the equation by 4. So dividing this equation by 4, we are going to get this as 1 divided by a square plus 1 divided by b square equal to, it is a 1 divided by 4. So we have to solve these two equations. I call it as a equation 1. This I call it as a equation 2. And from equation 1 we have to write a solution for 1 by b square. So we get 1 by b square equal to 1 minus 9 by a square. Similarly, from equation 2 we have to write a solution for 1 by b square. We get 1 by 4 minus 1 by a square. So LHS are same, RHS we have to equate. So using this we have to calculate the value of a and b, or else a square and b square. So here we get a square value as, simplifying like this, we get a square value as 32 divided by 3. And similarly b square value is, it is a 32 divided by 5. Then so given equation, in this first step equation we have to substitute the value for a and b. So we get this as, so it is a x square by a square, 32 divided by 3, transporting in a numerator, plus y square divided by b square is 32 divided by 5, will transport it in a numerator, equal to 1. Now 32 is a LCM, or else entire this equation we have to multiply by 32, so we get this as 3 x square plus 5 y square equal to 32. So we get this. So looking at this one, we will observe that option B is the right answer. 3x square plus 5y square equal to 32. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The question is, if the eccentricity of an ellipse be 5 by 8. So eccentricity is denoted by E. So I take E equal to, it is a 5 divided by 8. And the distance between the foci is 10. So distance of a foci is given by the formula 2AE, and in this example distance of a foci is a 10, so I am going to take it as a 10 here. So further I write a solution for A from a second equation. So A equal to, I get this as 10 divided by 2 times E. From first equation I substitute A value, so A equal to, it is a 10 divided by 2 into E. E is 5 divided by 8. 8 we can transport it in a numerator. So further we will simplify. So simplification of this, A we get it as a 8. Very simple. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, and 5 get cancels. So we get A value as a 8. Now using relation between A, B and E formula we have to write it. So that formula is, so very simple. So it is B equal to A times under the square root of 1 minus E square. 1 minus E square is the formula. In this we know the value of A and E. We have to substitute A and E value and we have to calculate B value. So A is, it is a 8 we have calculated, root of 1 minus E square. E square is a eccentricity, so it is a 25 divided by 8 square. 8 is a 64. So simplifying this, so we get it as 8 root of 64 minus 25, we are going to get it as a root of a 39. So root of a 64 we get it as a 8. 8 get cancels. B equal to root of 39 is 39 it is. Now we have to find the length of a lattice rectum. So length of a lattice rectum is given by the formula 2b square divided by a. So 2 is as it is, b square root 39 square is 39 divided by, it is a is 8. So it is 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So we are going to get length of a lattice rectum as 39 divided by 4. 39 divided by 4. Therefore clearly option A is the right answer. Like this we have to simplify. So in this class, so in this session I have discussed previous all formula whatever we have discussed. So same formula we have used it. So you must be perfect in formula, then only you can find length of a lattice rectum, vertices, foci, all these things. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The question is, the equation of the directrix of the ellipse, they are given it 16x square plus 25y square equal to 400r. So equation of a directrix we have to find, and given geometry is a ellipse. So the from this given equation, RHS we have observed that in a ellipse RHS is 1. Therefore throughout this equation we'll divide by 400. So we'll divide entire this expression by 400. So 16 by 400 we get it as 1 by it is 25. Okay, so then next 25 divided by 400 we get this as y square by 16 equal to 400 by 400 we are going to get it as a 1. So from this equation, standard equation, we get a square value as 25 and b square value as 16. So then using the relation between E, A and B, we will calculate the eccentricity. So E is given by the formula under the square root of 1 minus it is a b square divided by a square, b square divided by a square. So further, so E is as it is under the square root of 1 minus b square, it is a 16 divided by a square, it is a 25. So 25 is a LCM, root of a 25, denominator it will become as a 5, and numerator 25 minus 16 we get it as a 9, root of a 9 we get it as a 3. So eccentricity is a 3. So next directrix equation I am going to write it. Directrix equation is, it is a x plus or minus a divided by e is equal to 0. Then already we know the value of a and b, just we have to substitute. So very simple, it is x plus or minus a value, a square is 25, a is 5, it is from this equation we are going to get it, a square equal to 25, a is 5, so 5 I write it, and divided by e it is a 3 divided by 5, it is 3 divided by 5 equal to 0. We will simplify it, x plus or minus 5 will transport it in a numerator, 5 into 5, 25 divided by 3 we get it equal to 0. Then 3, entire equation will multiply by 3, so we get this as 3x plus or minus numerator 3 denominator 3 get cancels, we get a 25 is equal to 0. Okay, so this option is not among A, B, C, therefore none of these, option D is a correct answer. Yes, so option D is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Example number 5, eccentricity of an ellipse they have given. So reading a one sentence, whatever information is there, that related formula we have to write it. So very simple, eccentricity is given by the formula e square equal to 1 minus b square by a square it is. So eccentricity they have given 2 by 3. 2 by 3 square I am going to get it as a 4 divided by 9 it is, and 1 minus b square by a square will be as it is, I am going to write it here. Further, so lattice rectum, the formula is, lattice rectum is given by the formula 2b square divided by a. Lattice rectum is 2b square by a, and here lattice rectum in this example it is given at 5. So 5 equal to 2b square by a. So this we get it. So these two equations. So here from this first equation we have to write a solution for a b square, and second equation we have to write a solution for a b square, and LHS is b square, both the equation. RHS, LHS are same, RHS we have to equate, and we get a and b value, or a square or b square value. So like this we get a square value as, we are going to get a square as it is a 81 divided by 4, and b square value we get it as it is a 45 divided by 4, it is 45 divided by 4. Then we have to use a formula x square by a square, 81 divided by 4, plus y square divided by b square. It is a 25 divided by 4 equal to 1. 4 we have to transport it to a numerator here. So further simplification we get this as, so 4x square by 81. Next 4y square divided by 25 equal to 1. This option is there. Whether this step is there, we have to see it. So yes, clearly. So we will observe that option B is a right answer here. So we are going to get it as a 45. B square as a 45. So 45 it is. Here also 45. Yes, 45. So option B is a right answer. Okay. Yes, we will move to a next example. The equation of the ellipse whose vertices are given. So vertices, they have given it plus or minus 5 comma 0 it is. So vertices it is plus or minus a comma 0, standard formula. And foci are plus or minus 4 comma 0. So foci is, it is plus or minus 4 comma 0. Foci is, here we can take it as a plus or minus ae comma 0. Then further, so from a first equation, x coordinate is equated with the x coordinate, we get a value as a 5. Okay, and further from a second equation, x coordinate is equated with the x coordinate, so we get ae equal to 4. So a value we have to take it as a 5. Yes, 5e equal to 4. So we get a e value as, it is a 4 divided by 5. So like this we have to calculate a and e value. Now we have to calculate b value. For that I am using the relation between a, b and e. That formula is, once again I am repeating, dear students, you have to remember this, b square equal to a square 1 minus e square it is. So b square is as it is, a square, a is 25, so it is 1 minus e square, it is 4 square 16 divided by 5 square 25. So simplify this one, b square equal to 25 into 25 minus 16 9 divided by 25. So from numerator and denominator 25 get cancels, b value we are going to get it as a 3 here. Okay, so like this we have to calculate a, b and e. Further we have to use a formula x square by a square. A square is y square 25 and y square by b square, 3 square it is a 9, equal to 1 we are going to get it. So this option is not among a, b, c. Then so simplify this one. So cross multiply 9 x square we get it, then 25 y square equal to 25 into 9. So 225 we are going to get it here. So clearly we will observe that. So this option, it is there in option A, 9x square plus 25y square equal to 225. Okay, we will move to our next example. Okay, x value they have given in a parametric form. Dear students, if it is x and y, so in between there is a one theta. So theta means it is a parametric in a like another variable t or theta. In this example theta is there. So for that then we have to write equation in terms of x and y here. So first equation I am going to take it here. So x equal to multiply by 4 plus 4 cos theta, and second equation y equal to multiply by 3 plus 3 sin theta. Okay, like this. So further we have to write a solution for cos theta from first equation. So I write x minus 4 equal to 4 cos theta. further I can write the cos theta value as it is x minus 4 divided by 4 it is. Okay, from first equation we get it. Second equation, we have to write a solution for a sin theta. So we get y minus 3 equal to 3 sin theta, or else sin theta value is, it is y minus 3 divided by 3 here. So like this I have written sin and cos value. After that, so very basic concept what you have studied in a 10th standard, I am going to use trigonometric identity. That trigonometric identity is sin square theta. So very simple, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now sin theta we know, sin square value we have to substitute. So we get this as y minus 3 whole square divided by 3 square, 9 we get it. And cos square, cos value we know, just we have to take a square, x minus 4 whole square divided by, it is 4 square, 16 equal to 1 here. So this we get it. So this option we have to check. So x minus 4 whole square by 16 plus y minus 3 whole square by 9 equal to 1. So clearly we will observe that option D is a right answer. So looking at a question, it looks very complicated. So using a trigonometric identity, so easily we can find a solution for this particular question. Yes. So we'll move to our next example. This will be the last example. Okay. The equation of the ellipse whose latest rectum is, so latest rectum is given by the formula 2b square by a equal to 8, and eccentricity is given by the formula, just it is denoted by e, and is 1 by root 2. These things are given, referred to the principal axis of a coordinate is. So in this, so using these two equations, we have to calculate the value for a and b, and standard formula we have to substitute, and we have to find equation of a ellipse here. So very clear it is this question. So now yes, so we'll write a solution for b square. So b square is, it is a 8, it is a is multiplied, 2 is divided. So then we get a 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. Okay, so we get a b square value as, it is a 4 times a, it is 4 times a. Then I use a relation between a, b and e. That formula is b square equal to a square 1 minus e square, it is. This is a formula. Then b square, so b square is 4a, I have written here, and a square we don't know, as it is I am going to write it 1 minus e square, 1 square 1 divided by root 2 square is 2 here. So further, so we have to simplify it, 4a divided by a square, 1 minus half, we are going to get it as a half, so that I am taking as a half into a square as a square by 2. Further, so 1a and 1a get cancels. So I write a solution for a. So 4 2s are 8 equal to a. So using this we get a solution for a. Then use the earlier step, b square equal to 4a, a value take it as a 8. So b square we are going to get this as b square. So it is a 8 into 4. So 32 we get it. This is a b square value. Now equation of a ellipse we have to write it. That equation is x square by a square. A square is 8. 8 square. A is 8. 8 square is 64. Then y square by b square. It is a 32 equal to 1 here. So which is a correct option? Yes, clearly we will observe that option C is a right answer. Sometimes it will be in a only numerator, then further we have to simplify it. Okay, now in this example option C is a right answer. So today in this session we have solved 8 examples. Remaining examples we'll discuss it in a next session. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.